today I'm going to be casting all these molds here with this Eco Resin casting powder. I got all of this from Temu, actually, and this specific one I got from Kickmove, but a lot of different sellers have the same thing. So a lot of these are seashells. So I got some seashells, some mushrooms, some animals. So I just want to see how this goes. So here it says that the powder is 3:1 by weight, and you could actually demold it in only 30 minutes. There's no other information on the package. But it came with a little insert. So it says it's a great alternative to epoxy resin and UV resin. To me, even though they're calling this resin, I feel like it's more like plaster, but I've never used this before, so. These are my silicone mixing cups that I got. That one, actually, you could use like a few different colors that split like that. I got some spatulas. So these are all silicone tools, so they're reusable. Everything on the table that I'm showing is reusable. Just once the plaster cures, we just kind of squeeze the cup a little bit, and everything should be clean. This is me after attempting to pour some powder neatly into the cup, and obviously I failed because it's all over the table. Alright, so I already measured plaster in the larger tub in the back, and I'm just measuring out some water, and it's 3:1 powder to 1 part water. I don't know if even though I have the scale out there, I'm sure like I messed up the ratio just a little bit, but okay, so I mix it, and then until it's kind of like a smooth consistency, and then I just pour it in the mold, and then we wait like the 20-30 minutes to demold. So originally I thought I was going to pour all these molds, but obviously once I started working, the plaster didn't stretch as far as what I thought.